Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can turn off the green active dot when you use the Facebook app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So, let's go ahead and get to our topic. And open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, go to the menu, and after that, click on the gear. Then scroll down to the bottom of the settings until you find the active status section. And here you will see that you can disable a feature called Show when you are active. And thanks to this feature, all of your friends, and not only them, can see if you are currently active on Facebook or not. And if you for some privacy reasons want people not to see whether you are online or not, then you just disable this feature. After that, no one will be able to see active or not. So this is the very simple way, friends, you can disable the green active dot that shows whether you are active or not in the Facebook app. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.